What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You're asking yourself, Caleb, what in the hell is that car up there on the left? Yep, that's Alex's recently acquired black notch, and today we're taking it apart. But the reason we're getting started on it already, and I'm not saying that it's actually going to happen, is Alex wants to have it ready for Ford Takeover. So, quick note, if you did not catch the video, the date for Ford Takeover is June 23rd and 24th. Jackson, Tennessee. Gonna be freaking epic, guys. You don't want to miss it. All the info is on thefoxcast.com. Hit the Ford Takeover tab, get all the information there. I've got a lot more information coming, but of course, all Ford crews, dyno shootout, epic pre-meet, and then Saturday we'll be at the track all day long. Manufacturers Midway, mobile dyno drag racing, car show. It's going to be insane. If you've never been to Ford Takeover, make this the year you come. It's going to be awesome. But we got a lot of work to do. Let's go. Boys, so quick rundown before we get to slinging some wrenches is we got to get the drivetrain out of this car, and then we're going to get the glass out of the car. We're not doing all that today, but Alex is sending it over to Nick's for paint and get her slicked down real nice. Probably do the engine bay. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure he's going to do the engine bay. And tentative plans for this car are Gen 3, Coyote, and 10R80. So it's going to be very nasty. He's also got some cool stuff planned for the interior. It's going to be a bad ride. So very, very excited to see this car come together as well. And of course, it'll be right here on the channel. But for now, we got to get her stripped down. It's about that time.
Whoa, shit. Very, very close.
Time. Yeah, buddy. Uh-oh.
Got a little lift in there.
Yeah, yeah, a little burp. Yeah, boys, we're about to yank this out. And I guess we should probably tell them here shortly where this is going.
Yeah, it's got a home.
Yep, it's already got a home. And you'll be seeing us put it in its new home here shortly, but in the meantime, Gotta get this bad boy out of here.
Of course, I'll have to get under there and do the cross member and get the shifter down. It should come up, start moving in, yeah.
Mission accomplished. She's solid under here though.
I would say go and get it for him.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What's going back in here?
4.7.
2.3 EcoBoost, yeah?
I don't think I want to do one of them.
Yeah, I don't blame you either. Shoot, yeah. Engine's out.
Figure out what GM motor I'm gonna go with.
Yeah, LS, right?
Yeah, the 1, 2, and a 3. Don't know which one to do.
Yeah. We'll leave that as a surprise. You gonna have Nick do the bay too?
Yeah, I'm gonna shade the bay out.
Oh, this ain't gonna be slick. Not that it's not already slick, but it's gonna get even more slick. So.
Pull the fenders.
Yep, this ain't gonna look like glass when it's done. I can't wait. Alright, time to get the Holly out.
Yeah. Terminator X.
There she be. Terminator X. Yeah.
Screwdriver.
Flathead.
Phillips.
Phillips. Yes, sir. Just the beginning. I guess it's safe to say we're not messing around today. We done got a little motivated. She's almost there, Alex.
Close.
Booster's out, throttle cable's out, speedo cable's out, clutch cable's out. Everything else under the hood, all the AC lines are gone. Shoot. Act like we've done this a time or two before. Yes, sir. Not fun, but gotta be done. Alright, boys, so there you go. Alex cooped off the Nix. Get some fresh paint, engine bay work. Get her all smoothed out and straight. You'll look freaking epic. Can't wait to see how this one comes out. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get this thing loaded up, get it over to the paint, and that's gonna be it for this one. So if you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.